All right, good day everyone. This is CHM class with Auntie Taiwo. So the last time we talked about molecular formula, we're able to derive our formula from the empirical formula. And I said we'll be doing something different in our subsequent videos. So this morning we will be solving another practical questions. Okay, before we go, can you just press on the subscription button and subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified whenever we put up our videos. So this morning we have a practical question on the board. Okay, an organic compound contains 64% carbon, 13.5% hydrogen, and 21.7% oxygen. If the vapor density is 74, calculate the empirical formula and the molecular formula. The previous questions that we have solved, molecular masses was given, but in this particular one, only vapor density was given. So just follow me gently and see how we're going to go about this. So I have my carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay, so I'm going to write their percentages under them. So I have 64.8, I have 13.5, and I have 21.7. So we are going to divide by the relative, by the molar mass. So carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, then oxygen is 16. So we are going to have 5.4. Okay, this one 13.5, of course. Then we are going to have 1.36. So these are values. Then we'll divide by the smallest. Divide by the smallest. Okay, of course, the smallest here is 1.36 divided by 1.36 divided by 1.36 divided by 1.36. So 5.6 divided by 1.36 is going to give us 4. 13.5 divided by 1.36 is going to give us 9.9, but I can approximate to 10. Then, of course, 1.36 divided by 1.36 will give us 1. So my empirical formula is going to be, carbon is what? C4. Hydrogen is 10. Then, of course, my oxygen. So we are done with the first part of the question. So now we'll move to the molecular formula aspect of the question. Now we are going to have I'm going to look for the molecular mass. The molecular mass is going to be 2 times vapor density. 2 times vapor density, and it's going to give me 148. So I'll be using 148 as my molar mass. So vapor density is what? Molecular mass is our vapor density times 2. So on no account should use vapor density directly for the question. So I'm going to have my C4, H10, and oxygen N equals to 148 like we did the last time. So I'm going to have my carbon is 12 times 4, plus hydrogen is 1 times 10, plus 16, plus 16. So everything here will have what? 74N equals to 148. 74N equals to 148. So my N is going to be 148 divided by 74, and it's going to give me 2. So I am going to introduce my 2 into the empirical formula. So I will have C4H10 and my oxygen in bracket of 2. So I'm going to use the 2 to multiply. So my molecular formula will now be what? 2 times 4 that is here, we have C8. H, 10 times 2 will give me what? 20. Then my oxygen O2. So we are done with our solution of the problem in respect of our empirical formula and molecular formula. So when next you cite a question and vapor density is being given, you have to multiply times 2. before you proceed with the question. All right, so when next we meet, we'll be going forward to do some other calculations. All right.